Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to improve your WordPress blog or site for better Google search engine results. This is my WordPress blog and the domain name is wpcharan.com. I have just installed this theme 5 minutes before. Let us check my blog SEO score in Google Pagespeed Insights. I just opened the Google Pagespeed Insights. http wpcharan.com. Enter. Analyzing, and here the results of my blog. Mobile is out of 100, 62, it's poor, and desktop out of 100 I got 72 only, needs work, and mobile is totally poor. And possible optimizations. Here these are the things I have to fix. First I will enable zzip compression to my blog. For that I have to add zzip compression into my .htaccess page. Let's log into my Bluehost account. I'm logging to my Bluehost account. After I log into my Bluehost cPanel, let's come to the bottom under the file section, click File Manager. In the public_HTML, click on it. Here the .htaccess. Suppose you don't have .htaccess page in your public_HTML folder, you can create one. If you don't know how to create, you can call to your hosting provider and tell them to add this .htaccess default page. Click on it, code editor, click edit. Here one important point I would like to tell: back up your existing .htaccess code. After that you can add or editing .htaccess code. After if module, we need to add the code zzip compression, and here is a code I'm pasted. This is a default compression for WordPress you can find in Google search engine. Just type this begin default compression. You will find n number of websites with this code. Click Save Changes. Let's check my blog page speed in Google Pagespeed Insights. Click Analyze. Here is the results. We got little improvement on Pagespeed Insights after adding the zzip compression. For mobile, 75 out of 100. For the desktop, out of 100 I got 87. Still I have 4 to fix this. Let's log into my WordPress dashboard. I just logged into my WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, click Editor, and the Edit Themes option here. There is a right side templates option here. Come to the bottom. Here the styles, click on it, copy my CSS file. Now I want to minify this CSS code. Type Google search engine CSS minify. The first option is CSS minifier. Open it. Just paste the CSS code which I copied here. Click minify, and here the minified output. Select all. Let's go back to my WordPress dashboard again. In the edit themes section, delete the existing code, paste the minified version of CSS. See, now it's minified version. So now this is the minified of CSS. I'm updating file. File edited successfully. Let's go to my page speed again. We will check the score. I'm analyzing now. Click Analyze. Now here the new results after updating my CSS minified code. Still I have to fix these things. Let's expand. So remove render blogging JavaScript and optimize CSS delivery. Let's flip back to my WordPress dashboard again. Now the next step is I want to add the plugin W3 Total Cache. Go to plugins, click add new. In the search, type W3 Total Cache. Enter. And this is a plugin I want to install on my blog. Click install now. Click activate. Here plugin activator, and also in the left menu there is a performance plugin added, which is a W3 Total Cache plugin. Go to general settings. The first one is page cache enable. Minify enable. Minify mode, click manual. After these two settings, after the minify settings, come to the top, the browser cache. Make sure it's enabled, and as well as the object cache. Both must be enabled. Save settings and purge caches. Now after that, come to the minify, click on it. First we need to eliminate the JavaScript render blocking. This one. The JavaScript. Click JavaScript. JS minify settings. Click enable. In JS section, JS minify settings, make sure it's enabled. And operations and areas block, the embedded type, the before closing the header section, make it non-blocking using async. Come to the bottom. Here the important point is the theme. Here you'll see the different kinds of themes. Choose your blog theme. I'm choosing the active one only. Add a script. Go back to my Pagespeed. This is a file. Copy it. Copy this URL path. Go to minify version and paste here. Add script. There's a two files here, JavaScript, and this one also. Copy it. Go to minify. Paste that code here. Save settings and purge caches. Click on it. Let's go back to my Pagespeed again. Let's analyze. Show how to fix. Click on it. And notice here the JS links are gone. Now we have 4 blocking CSS results. Notice here the CSS links are, the first 2 links are the external links from Google Fonts, and the bottom 2 are my internal links from my website. First we will fix these 2. When you mouse hover on the link, you see the bottom. Copy this link up to CSS. Up to CSS. Just copy the link up to CSS. Go to minify. Click CSS. And same as it is what we have done for JS. CSS minify settings enable. And file management of CSS, the theme version must be your present theme. Now we will add that link here in the style sheet. Paste the code here. Click add a style sheet. And this one also copy up to the style.css. Copy this one. The second one, paste the code here. Click the button save settings. To rebuild the minify cache, use now empty cache everything. Now let's go back to the Pagespeed again. Now click analyze. come to the bottom, show how to fix. Notice here those CSS files are gone. Now I'll fix the Google fonts. Let's go back to my WordPress dashboard again. Now the last one is I want to remove the Google fonts. Go to plugins, click add new. In the search plugins, type Google Webfront Optimizer, and this is a plugin I want to install. Click install now. Click activate. Here the plugin activated. Go to settings. Here GWF Optimizer. Click on it. And select how you want Google Web Fonts to be loaded. Make sure it's enabled. Save changes. Go back to my Pagespeed. Click analyze. And here are the results. The mobile is good. Out of 100 I got 91, and the desktop I got 97 out of 100. And still I need to show how to fix. But here one link is there. It's in the cache folder. I don't know how it's coming, but it's not a big issue. Solve this problem. But I have showed in this video the major concepts how to optimize properly for Google search engine results. And finally we got the results here, which is very good compared with the previous stage. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.